Hello, everyone. This is Own Wall Street with the TradersPerspective.com. Hope you had a wonderful weekend. What I expect to see here for oil is a continued push back down to the 66, 65 level, and then ultimately a break heading back to the 65, 77s, maybe a little bit of a pop again. But then I'm looking for a nice big move down to roughly 64 at that point in time. I believe that's where the 786 level is at. No, it's even lower than that actually. So 63.20 would be lower than that. 61.8 is still a good area. Let's see if we can catch any support at 64. I like to rely on that 786 pretty heavily. So we'll see if we can get down there. First things first, we do have to again break the levels that I'm identifying here, 66, 65. Then another pull back lower here, a little bit of a bounce, and then another continued move to the downside. I will caution though, if we do see some more escalation and tensions in the Middle East, then you know that's basically what we're going to see is a support hold around 65.80 and then a rip to the upside continued up to that 71, 72 area or even higher. So if we do break those levels, or maintain, I should say, the 65.80s, 65.88 specifically, we should be looking at another move back up and again, a further move up higher is really no other way to say it. So if we start seeing more tension, watch for the price of oil to base out around the 65.80s, 66, 67s. Anywhere up in this area here would really mean that oil is, obviously being held and consolidated until we see, what's really going to develop in the Middle East. So that's really the key levels that I'll be watching here for in the event that things continue to uh, de-escalate, then obviously we'll see another push back down to the levels of like 63 and some change, like I said, a few moments ago. Otherwise, maintain support here, and then we are talking about further upside level. It's not just one dimensional. You always have to plan for both aspects in the event of something that you didn't expect to happen. So that's why stop losses are crucial to use, especially when you're playing in a market like with oil or metals. They can get quite volatile very quickly, sometimes seemingly for almost no reason. But I do expect that we will, near term at least, test to the downside here, 65, 80, and then look for a consolidation attempt in this area. If we start to see continued de-escalation or a strengthening dollar on top of moderate silence, at least for the headlines, then we'll see the price of oil start coming back down closer to that 50-period moving average, otherwise known as $63 and roughly 20 to 30 cents.